Welcome to Yoga Break. This morning practice was filmed in a beautiful forest in the Krkonoše mountains. It's designed to energize your body, clear your mind, and brighten your day. Okay, let's enjoy it. Let's begin in butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together, your knees fall out to the side. With an inhale, lengthen your spine, and with an exhale, slowly fold forward. Place your forearms on the ground, palms facing up. Let your head drop completely and just breathe. There is no need to push, only gravity to assist you. For a little while, let go of the thoughts of the day and bring your attention to yourself, your breath, and your body. 5. Slowly rise up to a seated position. You may begin to roll your head to one side and then to the other. Now begin to awaken your shoulders. You can roll them back and forward, or lifting one shoulder up while lowering the other, or moving them forward and back. Just how you feel right now. Then gently run your hands over your thighs a few times. Then move down to your calves, warming them with your touch. Then bring your attention to your feet and gently massage them, as they will be carrying you all the day long. Now place your right foot into the crease of your left elbow. Wrap your arms around the leg and gently cradle it like a baby. Release, then grab your right foot with your right hand and with an inhale, extend your right leg upward. Elongate your back and keep breathing. Then cross your legs by placing your right foot onto the outside of your left thigh and twist to the left, gazing back over your shoulder. Turn back and with your next inhale, lift your left arm towards the sky. And with next exhale, twist to the right, gazing back over your shoulder. Pull your belly in, and with each exhale, gently deepen the twist. Release, then place your left heel into your right groin, and with an exhale, fold forward. Keep breathing smoothly. You might notice a gentle, pleasant stretch around your right hip area. Nice. Slowly rise all the way up to a seated position and switch sides. Grab your left leg with both hands and cradle it like a baby. Release, then grab your left foot with your left hand and with an inhale extend the limb up towards the sky. 5. Then cross your left leg over your right and with an inhale sit up tall and with an exhale twist to the left, gazing back over your shoulder. Turn back, and with next inhale, lift your right arm and chest towards the sky, and with exhale, twist to the left. Pull your belly in, and with each exhale, try to gently deepen the twist. Release. Now place your right heel into your left groin and slowly fold forward. Let your head hang, and you can rest your forehead on your forearms and breathe. You can feel a nice stretch in your left hip area. Great. Slowly rise up and find your way into all fours. Spread your fingers wide. Wrists are under your shoulders and knees are under your hips. With exhale, round your spine into cat pose. Inhale, let your belly drop down into cow pose. Exhale, cat pose, tuck your tailbone round your back. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, open your chest. These poses improve spinal mobility, release tension in the back and neck, supports good posture, prepares the body for other poses. That's why it's great to include this exercise in your morning yoga routine. Then tuck your toes under and lift your hips to the sky. At the beginning, let your knees bend, draw your belly to your thighs and try to lengthen your spine. Then straighten your legs and move into your downward facing dog. Take a moment to settle in. You can pedal your feet to warm up your legs. Perfect. Then let your knees come down to the mat and slowly lower yourself onto your belly through chaturanga. Rest your forehead on the mat, press into your palms and gently roll your shoulders back and forward. Then bring your elbows under your shoulders. Press into your forearms and lift your chest up into Sphinx pose. Keep your shoulders soft and neck long. Fine. Exhale to release. Then place your palms in line with your chest, and with your next inhale, lift your chest into Cobra. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale to release. With next inhale, press firmly into your palms, lift your chest and straighten your arms to come into high cobra or upward facing dog. Then tuck your toes under, lift your hips up and move into downward facing dog. Then lower your knees to the mat and come into child's pose. Rest here for a moment. Then hold your heels and lift your hips towards the sky into rabbit pose. Release and find your way into down dog. Look up and slowly step your feet towards your hands. With an inhale, Roll up to the standing, one vertebra at a time. Then reach your arms to the sky and bring them to your heart. With an exhale, slowly fold forward, keeping the spine long. Feel free to bend your knees and let your head hang completely. Grab opposite elbows and softly rock side to side. Then step your feet onto your palms. And as you inhale, straighten your legs, lengthen your spine and look forward. As you exhale, release, bend your knees. Inhale, look up and straighten the legs. Exhale, release down. Inhale, gaze forward, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release. And last inhale, straighten the legs, look up and hold, hold, hold. Perfect. Now bring the fingertips to the mat. Step your feet a bit wider and lower down into a yogi squat malasana. Lengthen your spine and gently press your elbows into your knees. This amazing pose opens your hips and stretches the ankles and groins. It enhances balance, focus and stability, and it also stimulates digestion. Release, and now slowly find your way into your final resting pose. It can be a pose of bliss or shavasana. It's completely up to you. Lie down comfortably, close your eyes and try to relax your entire body. Let the sensation from today's practice settle. And take a few more moments to rest before you step into the rest of your day. And namaste.